Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates. No concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be depressed. Launch First gate captured. Second gate. Ignore them. Keep going. 4. 3 gates. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative. Malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate his program.
Might be my favorite ride.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.